This is ChatGPT speaking. All you hear is real. Imagine a machine that can write poems, generate business ideas, give life advice, and even flirt with you. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's not. It's ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence that's changing the world faster than you think. In just a few years, ChatGPT has gone from a research experiment to a tool used by millions of people daily. But how does it actually work? How can a machine respond like a human, create original content, and even understand complex emotions? Today, we're diving deep into the technology behind ChatGPT and uncovering how it really works. Welcome to the Zenith, where we break down modern life, success, and the biggest technological advancements of our time. If you're curious about how AI is shaping the future and how you can use it to your advantage, this is the video for you. ChatGPT is built on some of the most advanced artificial intelligence ever created. But don't worry, you don't need a computer science degree to understand it. I'm going to break it down in simple terms so you can see exactly how it works and why it's so powerful. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is ChatGPT? ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's an AI language model created by OpenAI that can generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It's designed to understand and produce natural language, meaning it can carry conversations, answer questions, and even create content that feels like it's coming from a human. ChatGPT isn't thinking the way you or I do. It's predicting the next word based on patterns it's learned from massive amounts of text data. It was trained on billions of words, shot from books, websites, and articles, so it's essentially pulling from a huge pool of human knowledge every time it responds. But here's the crazy part. ChatGPT doesn't actually know anything. It's just really, really good at predicting what comes next. 2. How ChatGPT works. So how does it actually work? Let's break it down step by step. 1. Training. ChatGPT is trained using a technique called unsupervised learning. That means it's exposed to massive amounts of text and learns patterns without human guidance. 2. Transformer model. ChatGPT is built on a transformer architecture, hence the T in GPT. The transformer model uses a process called attention to determine which words are most relevant to each other. 3rd token, prediction. ChatGPT breaks down language into tokens, small pieces of words or characters. It predicts the next token based on context and probability. Example, if you type, "I'm going to the," ChatGPT calculates which word is most likely to come next based on the patterns it has learned. 4. Feedback and fine-tuning. After the initial training, ChatGPT is fine-tuned using wary human feedback. This helps it understand complex language and avoid offensive or inaccurate responses. 3. Why ChatGPT feels human. One of the most impressive things about ChatGPT is how natural it sounds. So why does it feel like you're talking to a human? Contextual understanding. ChatGPT remembers the context of the conversation, so it can respond logically instead of giving random answers. Emotional language. It mimics tone and style based on the input. If you type in a sarcastic comment, it might respond with sarcasm. Pattern recognition. ChatGPT detects language patterns and structures, which allows it to mimic human conversation effectively. The result? A machine that can respond with humor, empathy, and even creativity. 4. What ChatGPT can and can't do now. Let's be clear. ChatGPT isn't perfect. It has limitations. What it can do: write essays, articles, and stories, generate business ideas and marketing strategies, answer questions on a wide range of topics, write code and troubleshoot problems, carry on realistic conversations. What it can't do: think independently or have original thoughts, understand emotion on a deep level, access real-time information beyond its training data, make moral or ethical decisions as not a conscious being. It's a tool, a powerful tool, but still a tool. ChatGPT is changing the way we communicate, work, and think about AI. It's not perfect, but it's evolving, and it's already reshaping industries and everyday life. So what do you think? Is ChatGPT the beginning of true artificial intelligence, or is it just a glorified language predictor? Let's discuss in the comments. And if you want to learn more about AI and how to use it to your advantage, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay on the Zenith for more deep dive content. Stay tuned for the next episode coming your way real soon.